Good morning, my quarantinians. Welcome back for another video. So we are at the illustrious Shell gas station built back in 1863, and today is a little bit different. As you can see, I'm not on Kehlani. I apologize. We did have nice weather, but the minute I decided I wanted to go ride, all of a sudden the clouds started rolling in, and the California weather said, no, f you, I'm gonna make it miserable. But we are still out here. It's windy, so I do apologize if you do hear any wind, as with all of my videos. But what's going on today? Today we're not going anywhere crazy. I'm not going to be doing anything crazy. So what you see in front of you is a 2019, I think it's a 2019 Yamaha R6. This is owned by my roommate. He's currently deployed, and I'm kind of watching over the bike for him. But he bought this thing pretty much brand new. I think the thing had 4 miles on it. Me personally, this is by far my favorite color combo. Besides the white and graphite gray, and then it has like the neon wheels. But we're gonna ride this bike. We're gonna test it out. We're gonna review it. We're gonna go over the whole bike on the exterior right now. First and foremost, this bike is bone stock. The only thing he did was the fender eliminator over here. He wanted to keep the turn signals here instead of integrating them into the tail. I would have went with the tail just to remove this thing right here. Hey, it's not my bike. Other than that, this bike is bone stock. He really didn't want to do too much before he deployed, which is understandable. But overall, the styling, in my personal opinion, Yamaha has it down. I've seen the new Gixxers, and those things are absolutely atrocious. It's an abomination. I just think they're hideous. They're hideous bikes. Cowies, I like the 13 to 14 model, 13 to 15 model. That body, that's probably the nicest body they had. The newest one, it looks odd. It kind of resembles a Honda CBR in my personal opinion, which is another, like, I don't know, not very nice bike. So my personal opinion, and this is just not because I'm a Yamaha fanboy and I absolutely love Yamahas, but honestly, I mean, the front end on this thing is so nasty. Oh my god, it's so sinister seeing it from behind. My personal opinion, the exterior of this bike, it really doesn't need me to go over it because it's absolutely gorgeous. Now, you're probably going to get people that are Gixxer fans or Kawasaki fans that they think their bikes are nicer. Obviously, that's their opinion. This is just my personal opinion, so take it as you will. I hate these things. I'd get rid of these things too. Mirrors, oh god, these would have been one of the first things that went on a bike. I don't know why, I don't like these big goofy mirrors that companies put on them. And this one has the integrated turn signals in there. And it's a nice feature because you're seeing a little bit more, but I don't know. I mean, you can integrate them in here. I think now is this one. I love the tank cover. I love these little gills right here on the tank. It kind of sets it off, because if you look at mine's just a shape. This bike is it's actually pretty comfortable for now. Obviously I haven't rode it on a long ride. I don't think there's any more to go over with the exterior. Make sure I have air in the tires, enough air. Oh yeah, we good. Get out of here, B, little bitch. It does come with KYBs, which is pretty nice. You can set the preload and everything. I think you just need an Allen. So without further ado, yeah, let's get moving. Oh god, it's so quiet. So like I said, I'm really not gonna go too crazy right now. Shifts butter smooth, leans butter smooth too. So you guys are going to hear a lot of wind right now. I'm not even going to bother trying to talk over the wind. I'm just going to kind of get off this highway because this highway is absolutely atrocious. Oh yeah, brakes are way better than my R1. Then again, this bike is newer, so and I beat the shit out of my R1. Tell you one thing, the leaning on it, it feels, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm not used to this bike, but it feels a lot more drastic than my R1. Like, it wants to lean. Bike feels really nimble, way more nimble than my R1, even my R6. The suspension on this feels nice. It's very soft, but not too soft. It feels nice. It's just very smooth. Everything about this bike. Do a quick little pull. She has a little pep. I don't even know what gear I'm in. I think 4th. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna go slow through here. Look at all this bullshit. Whoa! That was a big bird. This bird was big as hell. God, this road is terrible. Why do you guys keep letting me take these shitty roads? It's okay. It's okay, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Hi, puppy. I want to change the mode. It's gonna stop right here. I said the STOP word on my GoPro. STOP PED recording. A mode, B mode. I don't know which mode is which. Let's go with this one. Ah! I stalled it. Power is definitely there. It's not, it doesn't, I don't even know how to explain this really. I think it's the power delivery. It's not as raw as my R1, and I know I keep comparing it to my R1, but that's all I really know. Whoop. Let's try B mode. The one thing I don't like, I will say, this is a gripe that I don't like that I felt on this bike, is the throttle initially. Very sluggish. This one's kind of more like a lazy delivery if you're low RPMs. So now let's talk about the brakes. I do notice this bike's brakes are amazing. It's very, very engaging. I like it. That's how I kind of want my brakes. I hate my stump bike's complete opposite. I'm about to make me nervous in California because nobody knows how to negotiate them. Oh, neutral's very, very crisp to find. Oh, I love that. That's a huge plus in my book. What if you could change modes as you drive? Thing. Yeah, you can. Stay. Yeah, they. Also, oh yeah, A mode is the fun mode. It's actually, I don't know if it's the same lean angle as my R1. I think my R1's a little more aggressive. I don't move around as much. It could be the seat. The seat feels a little more grippier than mine. Mine feels like that fake leather, so you slide everywhere. I like the tank. The tank it's pretty comfortable to kind of grip with your legs. Also, I like it's not as wide up front, but even at these speeds, I mean, the bike just feels like super nimble. Yeah, this bike is filthy. I'll give her a nice little bath. Oh, there is a shifter thing in there. It says 6. Oh my god, it does tell me what gear I'm in. Noob. Oh man, I cannot get over how smooth this bike is. Oh, woo! Yo! I saw that bird. Wow, that bird was kamikaze straight from my face. What's with these damn birds today? Yeah, like a falcon or a vulture or something flying up over me before. And another bird coming right out my face. Jeez, leave me alone. So ergonomics on this bike is very manageable while you're riding. Yeah, so you gotta wait until you're off the throttle to change the modes, which is a good feature. I wish they would have put the modes on this side. I think if it was here and they did the traction control kind of like a knob like the mode, I think that would have been perfect, because I don't think it should be on the throttle hand, especially since they have like a safety in mind where you can't change modes if you're on the throttle. So I think that's one of the things they could have changed. Yeah. Oh. Wow. I think we're gonna end it over here. Look at this, one f***ing hand. Like, this is so effortless. Sure, I'm probably gonna get yelled at for this, but ain't no one over there. I ain't hurting no one, right? Let's see if it sinks. Yeah, I don't think it's sinking. I think we're gonna go ahead and end this video here. My overall consensus of this bike is absolutely love it. I really do want one of these as a R1. I just don't know if I'd be able to get rid of my R1. That's my baby. We have too much of a good history and bad history. Uh-oh.
Hopefully he's not that intimidating.
No. I love puppies. I did have a lot of fun on this bike. This bike is a lot of fun to ride. Very, very nimble through the corners. Very nimble. I mean, one-handed, I was taking these turns like they were nothing. Granted, I wasn't going that fast, but enough talking from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave me a comment down below. Also, give this video a big old fat thumbs up. If you guys aren't already doing so, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. Stepping on geese poop over here. And as always, I need y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Always remember, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Your boy Machine here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.
Too many thoughts in my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing.